Good morning students. Next video is on the numericals of chapter electricity. First you have to clear about the formulas. First formula, that is V equals to IR, that is Ohm's law. V is voltage, I is current and R is resistance. Second is resistivity formula, R that is equal to rho L over E. Here R is resistance, rho is resistivity, L is length and A is area. Next is, if resistors are connected in series, then R equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, means we have to add directly. Next, if resistors are connected in parallel, then 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3, means we have to add in reciprocal form. Next, for power, there are three formulas, that is VI, I square R and V square over R. According to the requirement, you have to use these three formulas. Suppose here is the first question. A piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in a parallel. If the equivalent resistance of the combination is R dash, then find the ratio of R over R dash. If equivalent resistance, that is R dash, then you have to find out the R over R dash. First, there is a one single wire. We have to cut into 5 equal parts, means resistance of each part, that is equal to R over 5. Next, these are connected in parallel. For parallel, there is 1 by R equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4 plus 1 by R5. Because we have 5 resistors, these are connected into 5 equal parts, and value of each resistance remains same, that is R over 5. Put the value here. Then 1 by R, that is equals to 1 over R over 5 plus 1 over R over 5 plus 1 over R over 5 plus 1 over R over 5, 1 over R over 5. Here R over 5 is in divide, then we have to shift it upward. Then 1 by R, that is equals to 5 over R. Same again, this is 5 over R plus 5 over R plus 5 over R plus 5 over R. Here 5 resistance is each of 5. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 15, 20 and 25, because base is same. Then 1 by R, that is equals to 25 over R. Next, reciprocal it, then R, that is equals to 25 over R. Next, we have in question given is R dash, because parallel combination resistance is R dash. This is R dash. Then R dash equals to 25 over R. Then we have to find out the ratio of R over R dash. Then this becomes, that is 25. Next is electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, then power consumed will be. First, you have given voltage is 220 and power is, that is 100 watt. We know that formula power, that is equals to V square over R. Here V is 220 volt, means 220 square over R. R we have to find out, and power, that is a given, that is 100. Then cross multiply it, then R, that is equals to 220 square, means 220 divided by 100. 2 zeros cancel out. 22 into 22, that is a 484. Here is the resistance and its unit is a ohm. Next you have given voltage 110, you have to find out the power. Again use same formula, power that is equals to V square over R. Now V is 110 square and value of R that is 484. This is 110 multiplied by 110 divided by 484. Next you have to cut these terms, then you will get 25 watt. Next is two conducting wires of a same material and of equal length and equal diameter are first connected in a series and then in a parallel. The ratio of their heat produced in series and parallel. First आपके पास two wires हैं that have same material, equal length, equal diameter, then first connected in series, then in a parallel. You have to find out heat produced in series and parallel, then find out their ratio. First there are two resistance, each of same resistance. Suppose R1 is R and R2 is R. First we are connected in series, that is series combination. First resistance is R, second is also R, means R plus R, that is a 2R. If we are connected in parallel, here RS means series, RP means parallel. 1 by R, because resistance is same, 1 by R. 1 by R plus 1 by R, this becomes 2 over R. Now reciprocate, then Rp that is equals to R over 2. Next you have to find out heat produced or power that is equals to V square over R. Next is you have find out Rs and Rp. V square as it is, this is Rs. Now V square, put the value of Rs here, that is a 2R. Next is for parallel, that is V square over Rp. V square as it is, value of Rp is R over 2. This becomes 2V square over R. Now take ratio, that is PS over PP, that is equals to V square over 2R. If we divide with PP term means 2V square over R, then we have to take reciprocal, that is R over 2 V square. V square is cancel out, R is also cancel out, then 2 into 2 is 4, means ratio of series and parallel, that is 1:4. Next is when a 12 volt battery connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of resistance. First you have given voltage, that is 12 volt. Next you have given current, that is 2.5 milliampere. First you have to convert milli into ampere. To convert milli into ampere, there is 10 raised to power minus 3. Next is you have to find out unknown resistor, means you have to find out R. According to the requirement VIR, we have used the formula, that is Ohm's law, V that is equals to IR. Value of V is 12, that is equals to 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into R. नेक्स्ट आपने R फाइंड आउट करना है. दिस टर्म डिवाइडेड 12 over 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3, that is equal to R. Next is R, that is equals to 12 over is 2.5, point remove करोगे then multiply by 10 divided by 25, हेयर इज़ पावर 10 रेज टू पावर -3. अगर आप इसको ऊपर शिफ्ट करोगे दैन दिस इज़ 10 रेज टू पावर 3. नेक्स्ट इज नाउ divide these two terms, 12 over 25 and multiply by 10 raised to power 3, then you will get the answer of 480. Here is a resistance, that is a ohm. Next is a battery of 9 volt is connected in series with the resistors 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 and 12. Next, how much current would flow through 12 ohm resistor? First, you have given voltage V, that is 9 volt. Next, these are connected in series, means you have to add directly. First resistance is 0.2, next is 0.3, 0.4, 0.5 plus 12. You have to add these all terms. If you add these all terms, then you will get first term is 12, next is 4, 5, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 12 and 2 is 13, means 1.3. This becomes 13.3 approximately. Then you have to find out the current by using Ohm's law. V, that is equals to IR. Then I, that is equals to V over R. V is 9 and R is, that is 13.3. Then you have to solve it, you get the value of a current. Next, here is a circuit diagram, that is first resistance is 10 ohm, second is 40 ohm, third is 30, fourth is 20, fifth is 60. First, you have to find out the equivalent resistance of the circuit. First, these two resistors are connected in parallel, then these are also connected in parallel, means first we have to find out the parallel combination of these two resistors. For parallel combination, we have add in reciprocal form, means 1 by R, that is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here R1 is 10, R2 is 40, means 1 by R, that is equals to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. First, you have to take LCM 10 and 40. First 5 per, that is 2 and 8. Then again 2, 1 and 4. Again 2, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 40 is LCM here. This becomes 4 plus 1, that is 5 over 40. This becomes 1 by 8. Reciprocal karoge, then R, that is equals to 8. Next, again these three resistors are in parallel. Find out their parallel combination. 1 by R dash, 1 by R3, that is 30, 1 by R4, that is 20, and 1 by R5, that is 60. First, you have to take the LCM of these three terms, 30, 20 and 60. First is 2, 15, 10, 30. Again 2, that is 5, 15. Again 15, sorry 5, 3, 1, 3. Next 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. Now LCM is a 60. This becomes 2, 3, 1. This is equals to 1 by R dash. This becomes 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6 over 60. That is 1 by 10. Reciprocal karoge, then R dash equals to 10 ohm. Next, this is, now there is only one resistance, that is 8. Here resistance, its units are ohm. Here is also ohm. By solving this parallel combination, there is again one resistance, that is 10 ohm. Now these two resistances, that is 8 and 10, these are now in series. For series, we add these two terms directly, 8 plus 10, this becomes a 18 ohm. Next, you have given a voltage 12 volt, you have to find out the current by using Ohm's law. V, that is equals to IR. V, that is a 12, I you have to find out, R you have given 18. Then I, that is equals to 12 over 18. नेक्स्ट अगर आप 3 के टेबल से कैंसिल करोगे 4 over 6, अगेन 2 पर करोगे, दिस बिकम्स अ 2 over 3 एम्पियर. Next is in parallel combination, you have given 3 ohm, in series 16 ohm. Then you have to find out two different resistances. Means आपके पास two resistance है R1 and R2. First, if we add in series, then answer is 16. If we add in parallel, then answer is 3. You have to find out R1 and R2. First is, if you add in series, that is R1 plus R2. Series is, that is a 16, that is equals to R1 plus R2. Now if you add in parallel, 1 by Rp, that is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Now take LCM. 1 by Rp equals to LCM is R1 R2. Here becomes R1 plus R2. Put value of R1 plus R2 here. This is 1 by Rp equals to 16 over R1 plus R2. And value of parallel combination, that is a 3. Now this becomes 1 by 3 equals to 16 over R1 plus R2. Now cross multiply. Then R1 plus R2, that is equals to 16 3 is a 48. Sorry, here is a multiply. First you have R1 plus R2, that is a 16. R1 into R2, that is a 48. Then you have to solve these two equations and find out the value of R1 and R2. First, you have remaining terms, R1 plus R2, that is a 16. R1 into R2, that is a 48 ohm.